introduce you to the Kids Ultra Adventure Hat. Here at Sunday Afternoons, it's our goal to help the whole family enjoy adventure, which is why we've interpreted our best-selling Ultra Adventure Hat just for kids. The Kids Ultra Adventure Hat has a generous brim, and for the ultimate in sun protection, this hat comes with a UPF 50+ sun rating. Turn the hat to the side, we can see that we have these great wicking mesh panels to help keep your little one cool while playing outside, and a long cape in the back to help protect little necks. The adjustable sizing grows with your child, while the reflective details help add visibility in low light conditions. If we take a look at the inside of the hat, we'll see that we've got a dark underbrim to help reduce glare, a moisture wicking sweatband that goes the entire way around the hat. We also have our Smart Strap breakaway chin strap for your child's safety. Not only that, but the Kids Ultra Adventure Hat folds in half to pack up small. You can put this in a purse, a backpack, or even a back pocket.
GoTele. GoTele is an off-the-grid networking tool that uses GPS with long-range radio technology to help you and whoever you're with locate, communicate, and stick together no matter where you are.
Your GoTele map and come meet us.
GoTele can run on its own for up to 2 days on a single charge and can be used on its own without the need of any other device to record and track your location down to 1 meter accuracy. When paired with a smartphone, you can use the app to view and track a group up to 30 units without the need of network service. GoTele is able to allow users to communicate via text to others in the group, even send an SOS signal when in trouble.
Parents, meet the only water bottle you'll ever need to buy your kids. This is the LifeStraw Play. Your kids can safely drink water from here, here, or here. No need to worry about lead in school tap water, or Giardia on a hike, or sketchy tap water on your travels. The LifeStraw Play's advanced water filter does it all. BPA-free, leak-proof, durable, and designed for kids. The Play water bottle comes in a variety of colors and includes 8 interchangeable cap graphics. We've taken similar technology that we use to provide safe drinking water to millions here and just put it here. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that traps bacteria, parasites, microplastics, dirt, and sediment. Then, an activated carbon plus ion exchange filter absorbs chemicals and bonds to heavy metals like lead, reducing even more contaminants from your drinking water. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 500 gallons, and the activated carbon filter lasts up to 26 gallons. And the replaceable filters allow you to use your bottle for many adventures to come.
With the little experimenter night vision binoculars, just because the sun goes down doesn't mean the fun has to end. Light up the night and go on adventures with a built-in flashlight and 2x magnification. They'll be able to see everything far and wide in the dark. Specially designed for young explorers with a large, soft, flexible eyepiece, so there's no need to adjust focus. Bring their night vision binoculars anywhere with the neck strap and kid-friendly safety clasp. Discover a new world with the little experimenter night vision binoculars.
The Wise Owl Outfitters Owlet Hammock is the perfect hammock for your little ones. We use the same high-quality materials as our regular hammocks, but design these to be the perfect size for your kids, your dog, or your gear. It measures 7 feet long by 3.5 feet wide and is ideal for kids up to about 4.5 feet tall. You can also use it to hang under your regular hammock to hold all your gear and keep it off the ground. Our hammocks are made of the highest quality materials. Although the nylon is very strong and can hold up to 500 pounds, it remains very soft. Similar to bed sheets, the higher the thread count, the softer the sheet. We use a silky smooth 210T nylon fabric for these hammocks, and our seams are stitched with triple interlocking stitching for ultimate security. You also have an attached bag that doubles as a storage pocket while inside your hammock. If you want more flexibility to be able to use trees that are farther away, or if you don't want to tie any knots, then you can purchase our Wise Owl Tail and Hammock straps. They're 20 feet long combined and allow for many adjustments.